The final score was 5-3.
No.
Yes, good job, good job. There you go, good job.
Well done. Go through it, Amanda.
Cross it.
Laura! There you go, good move.
Hit it!
Amanda, take the kick, there you go. All right. Good kick.
Backed up. Oh no.
Get it out. Catch it up, Jazzy, catch it up! Block that!
Hit it, hit it. Oh.
Take the shot off!
Oh!
Pass over Laura, pass over Laura! Go Jasmine! Go Jasmine! Go Jasmine!
Yes! Good job, good job, good job, girls, good job, good job.
Oh, what a great play!
That was so very well done. Good job. Well done. That wasn't a foul. That's a good ball.
Good job, good ball, good ball, good job. Good job, Maris.
Oh, there's Mel. There's Mel. Matters here.
See, you're doing it again. You're doing it again. Put your hands away. Put your hands away. Play the ball. Play the ball.
Back there.
Go.
Good job, Maris. Good job. Yeah, that's enough. Come on.
Get out there.
What the heck is
Take it through, take it through! Get up, Laura, get up, Laura!
That was good.
Emily's taking out.
There it goes. Thank you.